Iba ang didiskarte ngayon. Tautua. Choice again, goes behind the back, finishes with a left. Highlight from Mo.
Beautiful move there by Mo Tautua. As if he is a small man. Eluded the defense with that behind the back move and using his left to finish.
Alam mo bakit, Coach? Alam mo kung saan sa skill work si Mo Tautua?
Saan?
The same with CJ Perez. So even as a big, talagang nagdadagdag. Ito si Mo Tautua ng mga galaman tulad dito. Tinan mo?
This is a highlight
behind the back. Tapos yung pantapos mo kaliwa.
Oh, grabe yung move ngayon ni Mo Tautua. He's enjoying it. I think what is so obvious here, you can see it, those facial expressions of the mga manlalaro ng San Miguel. They're simply having fun. And of course, it's helping them because they're 4-2 right now. With this victory, they'll be up 5-2. They won against NLEX, Meralco, Barangay Ginebra.